Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Today we are here to complain against retired General Amjad Shuaib and TV channel 92 in Pakistan from the people of Gilgit-Baltistan. Honorable High Commissioner of Pakistan, His Excellency, I am Dr. Fatima Ali. I belong to Gilgit-Baltistan region of Pakistan and working as a doctor in the West for the last 18 years. Today, along with Ms. Kausar Bano, also from Gilgit-Baltistan, studying in University of Brighton, we represent the patriotic people of Gilgit-Baltistan and Pakistan. We are here to report the malicious allegations of retired military general of Pakistan, Mr. Amjad Shuaib, along with Mr. Muhammad Malik, anchor person of TV channel 92 in Pakistan. We are more than 2 million peaceful and patriotic people of Gilgit-Baltistan region of Pakistan. We express our anger and disappointment over the baseless allegations by the retired military general. Mr. Shuaib was trying to analyze the recent terrorist incidents in Gilgit-Baltistan region on a private TV channel 92 with anchor Mr. Muhammad Malik and other journalists. Mr. Amjad Shuaib expressed his irresponsible analysis of the incidents by saying that people of Baltistan living and working in Gulf region are the agents of India and have connections with RAW. That Ismaili communities are trying to create an Ismaili state. His comments are dangerous and serve no purpose for the unity and harmony of Pakistan. We, the people of Gilgit-Baltistan, demand the full investigation of such TV channels and their guests for making baseless and damaging analysis of the patriotic and brave people of Gilgit-Baltistan. Honorable High Commissioner, it is a fact that people of Gilgit-Baltistan are very deprived of basic rights like quality health, education, and infrastructure, particularly transport system and electricity, since November 1947. Despite all deprivation, people of Gilgit-Baltistan have sacrificed their lives in maximum capacity to protect the citizens and borders of Pakistan. They are now sick and tired of the political, judicial, and military establishment for not providing them the full rights as citizens of Pakistan. On behalf of people of Gilgit-Baltistan, we congratulate Mr. Imran Khan for being elected as the Prime Minister of Pakistan. We hope that Mr. Imran Khan will bring revolutionary and positive changes to the lives of people of Gilgit-Baltistan. Honorable High Commissioner, once again, we, the people of Gilgit-Baltistan, demand our newly elected Prime Minister, His Excellency Mr. Imran Khan, to grant us equal constitutional rights in Pakistan. As citizens of Pakistan, we should be able to cast vote to elect the Prime Minister and political parties of our choice for the Parliament of Pakistan. Gilgit-Baltistan must be considered as the 5th province of Pakistan, so the long-standing deprivation and frustration of the people can be alleviated. Long live Pakistan!